So we are checking does we are live or not, and whenever I go live, this little bit is it is sick. My laptop started lagging, cursor started lagging. Not a laptop, but as you can see here, I am live or not. We will see here. Dashboard content. Are we live? Yes, we are live. Let's go and check it one time. That's how we can I check now. I have to open this. Okay, this is my second live. Now we get a little bit experience about that live. How to do the live, do the live. I have to open this. So we are live. Okay. Okay, we are live. Yes, oil. And if this is continuing to do like this, lagging, just stop the recording and stop this live and start the recording because the live is not live is not working. So that's not any case. Today we analyze the oil because the Iranian and Ukrainian Iran Israel war is happening. So we have to see what we can benefit from that, what we can get a benefit from that because whenever the war is happen, market crash or market go up. So we have to analyze the back end analysis of the market. So back end analysis is this. Here, as you can see, here is a no support. We can see this line as support. Just wait for the confirmation to what the market will do, and the market is going down, or up. This is not. It should done. Yes, there is a head and shoulder type of pattern. As you can see here, my laptop is lagging. Even he have the space. I see here, left shoulder. Wait a second, where is that head and shoulder pattern? Ah, left shoulder, right, and then right shoulder. But why I did not enter here? Because I did not. I see that the market is not able to came here means on the left shoulder range, but market touch this line where it is a engulfing candle of a 4 hour. As you can see here is a one engulfing candle of a 4 hour. So we are waiting what will market do because as you can see here, market is trying to go up and we get a benefit from that. Why not? Just enter in this motherfucking trade. Okay, here wait at least here because 1 to 3 is minimum and yes it is possible bro. It is possible bro. It is possible. No. So we have to move 1 to 2.2. 2.2 is not a good risk reward ratio, but still you get a 1 to 2. That's why I don't like too much time spending on the stuff like this because sometimes you get a full amount of a TP or sometimes you get a back like this. As you can see here, I think that this will go down very goodly, very well. And now we found another W which works. on the US oil most of the time. Here we get a 1 raised to 2, 2.2. Our target is to get a 1 raised to 2.5 or 3, but we get a 1 raised to 2, 2, 2, 2. So what we will do, we will wait for the another setup we'll make. My setup is simple as that. One is the head and shoulder, second is the W only on the pair which is the USD JPY or oil. That's the two for the W, and there is a no another pair which I wanted to trade with the W pattern. W, yeah, you can say double tap. Some people call it double tap. Some people call it W. Is their faith on this market. So we will wait. We'll wait to get wait. So we are waiting here. Here, as you can see here, one type of a support and resistance has made here. So we are waiting to get a close like this, and he broke down that. See here, if I just did not even cut this trade, still he goes to the 72, 73. But if the market is reverting, and market is making a seeing you as a fool. You have to just go. At least we are getting with 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 1 raised to 2.5. So it is good. It is good TP. 1 raised to 2.5 is good. Yes, it is good. My main motive to get a to go into the trade is to 1 raised to 2 or 1 raised to 3, 1 raised to 2.5 or 1 raised to 3. If that is getting from the market, that I am getting from the market, then I did not have to just fuck my mind and say it is not good, it is not good. No, bro, it is good whenever you get a 1 raised to 2.5 or 3, because some people are not getting that also. Some people are going to the 1 raised to 1 and blow up their account most of the time. But that is also good strategy, or you can say there is another strategy which is called a negative risk reward. Means you are having that 2 raised to 1. Your ISL will be $30 and TP will be $15. That's called the negative risk reward, and that negative risk reward I don't like. Why? Because this negative risk reward, and if that risk is gone, means if higher chances is that you get a TP, but if the risk is gone, then if you make it two times, $15 from the market, and third time you go get into the market, go and place the trade on the market, and and the market goes opposite to your direction. Okay, at that time, what you will do? What you have to do? Nothing. Your $30 will be gone, and you came to the CTC. There is no TP, no SL, and then your mind will be fogged, and you think, why? Why market doesn't? And then you overtrade, and that time your account remaining money is gone. So we will waiting. We are waiting for getting a trade. We are waiting for the getting a trade. That's nice. Okay, 75 is the max to max. He's gone. What is this? I did not expect like this anything. Now I am finding that one type of a W pattern is happening here. As you can see here, you can see here. But I write it down like a head and shoulder. But wait and watch. I think this, yes, but this does not go too much well or too much upside. That I believe. Let's take a little bit risk of on this candle. It's 2.4. Okay. Just wait. Can we get a TP or can we get a SL or we are getting a CTC? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, we have get a TP, and we have get a not only TP, we have get a 2 point, not a 2.3, 1:3 TP. We have the perfect TP we have get. Why I enter in this? See here, I did not enter randomly. Why I enter? I will show you the main reason behind that, and my trading strategy is that as you can see here, market fall down directly. There is a no type of a any there is a no any type of a means market will fall down slowly little bit time, and then it will fall down very quickly, and at that time of very quickly markets try to get little bit upside and then start to falling downside again. Okay, let's see this. See this. I feel like this is W. Okay, after the W, we get a pullback little bit, and then it starts to continuation as per my strategy. But he did not remain with the continuation. Then he came back to like near to SL, but our SL is not a SL. Our SL is dangerous. So this is what it is. So we are waiting now. I think that market will go down very well. Away, just said, and I want the another. Okay. Here is one type of head and shoulder which I found out. Let's see it will work very well or not. But I found out little bit a head and shoulder type of a pattern. I am just entering very closing trade. I did not wanted to enter this trade, but because of as you can see here, if I enter in this trade, we are getting a 3.5. But it is a very because here is a one support, and the market does not touch this support. You as you can see here, the market is not touch here support. Market is gone upside, then get a TP. Let's see what will market do, and market will give us some money, or market will take the money from us. And as you can see here, still we have getted a 1:3. What our goal is to get a 1:3, and we have getting the 1:3. And here is the head and shoulder, and market will revert from here or market will go down. It's depending on the market's mood, but what our strategy is to get a 1:3 and go out of the market, because there is no chance to get a money most of the time. And here is also one more head and shoulder which I found out yearly, but now we are found here, and now we have to wait for the 1:3. The market gave us that now, but market even gives a 1:4 this time. And this is not so. I did not enter in this. If you see, like I enter after the confirmation, then that is not a trade. Means after the candle engulfing candle is made in the downside. So wait for the another trade without any type of a thing. I will found out another trade. Okay. Now market is falling very good, and the downfall is started. Just wait for the market will correct and change a trend or continue this trend again and again. What the market will do, we will see. And if the market is doing this continuously, what we can do? We can do what? What we can do? We can wait and see market gives us an opportunity or not. If the market gives us an opportunity, then we have to wait. We have to wait and figure out that market is giving us an opportunity. And if this is giving us an opportunity, okay, as you can see here, little bit type of head and shoulder has been broken down, and as you can see here, the market has been broken down, and as you can see here, market will break this also. I think that market will break this also. So what you can do now, just wait and don't do anything about this. Here is a one type of a perfect support which is founded by uh, the Pranav scientist, but waiting for the getting our confirming trade, because there is a not one type of a trade. And what is this? Why is this? Why market wants to? Here is a head and shoulder ad, and I just see this was the perfect head and shoulder. Even if I did not enter in this trade, but I knew that this will go at least 2 raised to 2.1 raised to 2.5. I did not expect that too much, but it is expected as 1 raised to 2.5. Easy. Easy money is there. Easy. Yes, 2.5. Perfect 2.5. It will go down also, but how much we are getting, it is important, and it is gone to the 1 raised to 3. And this trade is a perfect as hell. So we are waiting. The energy is too much. Energetic person. Okay, so everything you get in the life with the work, hard work, dedication to your craft, all of the time you dedicate yourself to the work, and your expectations or your goals or your wants will be fulfilled by the things. And as you can see here, I think that market will correct one more time and go down very well, but market is not correcting. And yes, yes, it is correcting. Yes, please correct, please correct, 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 correct. And I think it will came back as market is going up from this line also. Who knows? You know, me know, I know, I don't know. And we have to find out that why we don't have to know, why we don't have to know what is happening in the market or what will happen in the future. As you can see here, left shoulder, right shoulder, and a head. So market is going down from that. So yeah, we are entering in this trade, but the market will not go too much. So we have not market already catch the location where gone to the location where he have to go. This was the location where he have to go. And he has to go. He already gone. So I am not interested in this trade. We are waiting for this market will what market will do. We are interested in that. Okay. So as you can see here, what the fuck is master community? Okay, W, pull back, and yes, as you can see here, left shoulder, right shoulder, head, path. So as you can see here, the found of the W will pull back, and then I think it will continue or it will just destroy his own fate of going up or our fate also. So waiting for the confirmation. If the market is break, okay, he has broken down that line or barrier where we have wanted to enter, and we are getting a target of 62 based on this. I'm just adding this much, not too much. And we got the first SL of the day. We got the three TPs and one SL. It's good amount, good type of a risk reward. Three SL, three TPs and one SL. But it is on the 4 hour time frame. Means in the week you can done only two or three. What you will do, two or three trades at more bare minimum. You have to do a two trades in the week on the swing trading if you are doing swing trading. But in that two trades also, you are getting too much money instead of entering on the 15 rupees, $15 trades. But we are started also starting also scalping when we got the money. Okay, we are starting also that scalping also. let's go now. What the market is doing or how it is moving. We have to watch that, and we wanted to see how we can make money from that. What is this? Why is this? Why is happening this? Why the market is happening like this? Why the market is moving like this? I don't know. And this was the way that market is moving. Ah, wait, there is there, this. Let's see here. As you can see here, down, W down, W down. Let's market is correcting his values based on the okay. And now this is one type of a rejection zone you can say, and the market will see here. Now the new support area is this, and now we are waiting for this area to be hit. So we can enter for a downside or we can enter for the upside. Area should be hit. So as you can see here, what the market is doing, don't know. Market is don't know what he is doing. What the fuck is he doing? Very very good. Ah, wow, 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 wow. Now I am interested in the market to to just wait for these moments because the market is not in a good condition. We just have to wait. The chair is different type of a chair is there. Wait a second. Hello, 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 market. Hello, hello. Where is the market? The fuck is this market? Wrong with this market? Okay, as you can see here, we have almost not done all the analysis and why the market is gone up. Here is the support and there is a no type of resistance is over there. Here where he market is gone. The market is gone because of the news. So what we will do about that? We will just wait and watch the market. Will what will the market what will market do in the future? Is their mic is on or not? Mic is on. Okay, means you are listening me. You are listening me. So you have to listen what I said. Okay, means in good way what I'm saying that you have and if you are seeing that seeking the opportunity of a 15 minutes and you have to get a money from the market from the based on the scalpings, so you have one more trade. Here is just one trade which I found out, and here you also can get a 1 raised to 3. Let's see what will market do on this trade which I placed for the 15 minutes time frame. I did not have the now amount of money to place the trading, so I am doing outside work for the trading and now just analyzing the market because whenever you do everyday work from on this stuff you have to analyze the market because whenever you do the everyday work you see your strategies will be good and getting a very good everyday sharp. Every day it is getting a sharp, and you will win in the long run because you have and you are good at what you are doing in the YouTube also, in the trading also, in every field of the area where you are working. You will be the good if you are doing every day. some type of work, you will be good at that work. So that's my opinion. And we have done over 25 minutes of streaming. And now, which I'm finding that I have to analyze one more pair for a 4 hour time frame. Here is the another pair. The pair was suiciding, or pair was doing what I wanted to see also in the 15 minutes time frame, because the USD JPY make a 15-minute head and shoulder. What the fuck is going on this market? AUDSD is what doing what? This pair. I said you this pair fucks my brain most of the time. Means it will give me a TP all of the time, but whenever whenever I see myself as not making money, I found out this pair. And this pair is very very disturbed. Why? Because why I don't know. It is very very disturbed, but it is disturbed pair. Very very disturbed pair. And it is disturbing us also. So what we will do? We will just wait to get a hit, not to get a hit. I have to analyze with the analysis. I have to do the streaming also, but I will came in the from the 6 p.m. to 5 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., where the market actually 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 a New York session is there, and that time your chances of getting money is too high. So in any language, if you are making a fun or making a here as you can making a audience attached with you, then you are making something good way down. So here's the GPU as you can see here. There is a head and shoulder. BTC have the BTC has the what is that? The BTC had nothing. You stay. And these pairs are already gone, and there is no type of a trades in this US take, US 30, and all of the pairs. But I am founding that the US oil has should have the. Wait, I am pausing a little bit time. We are coming from a break. So I came back with that much energy where you can wait a second. What I am showing, that's not a good. But I came back, and which what I found out that what I'm finding out that this trade is perfect. Okay, this trade is perfect. You solve 15 minutes. Okay, we are analyzing another trade. Why? Why we are analyzing another trade? Because we have to analyze another trade. So, so 4 hour analysis, as you can see, this pair fucks my brain most of the time. But as you can see, wait a second. We will see in the trading view first, and then we will enter in this trading. Enter in these segments. Okay. If you if I found out little bit type of a head and shoulder or anything like here, here, bro, here, there is nothing. Why I did not analyze in this rather than analyzing it, in the Xness? Because it requires a premium. That did not require a premium. That is the broker. This is a chart. This is the charts. So it requires some money to analyze the backend data. It did not require Excel did not require some money to analyze the backend data. So that's why I analyze on that. So we will wait for this. We will wait for this. We will wait for this. I have to make a rap, and I am thinking that I have to make a rap actually. But which type of a rap I will make? The life story. So as you can see here, here is one type of head and shoulder in USD card, left shoulder, right shoulder, and head. And I am not finding any type of a trade in the pairs which I trade most of the time. I did not trade a pairs which I did not like to trade a pairs which is not in my control or which is not goes according to me, because in the if you are trading the GBP USD or GBP, any pair of a GBP and euro is risk which I found most of the time. So yes, oil is here. Okay, yes, oil is going good. Apple is here. Okay, Apple is also going good. Ethereum is here. Okay, Ethereum, I don't know what the Ethereum is doing. From the, I think, 4 to 2 months, from the 2 months, market is not moved from this. It is not going up above the 2200 level, or it is not going down above this level, this 1700, and war is also begin. So what will done is not, I don't know what will done in this in the future. So 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 we will again another work. So we will analyze another market, another pair. There is one type of a kira in your body, which is, but you have to control that also. You have to control everything. Everything is in your hand. Nothing is gone from your hand until we are here in this life we are living. We have to always focus on the going upside and going. Just don't close your mind and open the mind and start doing the things which is hard, or which is not you done before, because that will make yourself different from the normal person. I just in this, when I am small, like 10, 18, 18 not 16, 17, not 18, 18, 18. When I am in the 18 years old, I am on the 18 years old phase. I did not have any type of how can I say, I did not have any type of doing how can I say, I did not have any type of doing any type of doing any type of things. I have in my mind I did not have any type of passion about any things. I don't know how to do anything, and even I wanted to do something, but some because of overeating, I say myself that I will do this, but I did not do that because of this body is getting a lazy, and that affects most of the time in my life. That affects most of my life. So after coming from this phase, now we are in the phase of having this muscles body. I am I am literally how much year old? I'm a 22-year old, and the body is like this. Hard work is in this place. So we are back in this trading. So what we are trading, what we are analyzing is the USD CAD. What we are not analyzing USD CAD. It is a USD JPY, bro. It is the USD JPY. It is the USD JPY. Where is the USD CAD? Where is the USD CAD? Well, I have to the the thing bad about this that you have to all of the time do like this, make your chart again and again and again. Why that template is not saved and save as, oh, wait a second, I will found out that also how we can do that. In the home you can talk very good, in the outside you have to talk also very good. Okay, let's see now how does we can apply this same setting on different type of instruments like for example you go to the euro usd and wait a second, that we are implementing. Oh, now we found out another thing in this day, and I am very cool. I am very happy about that, that I found out something new. So now we have to analyze the usd CAD very quickly, because I have to go to get a mom from their job, and I see most of the people in their life they are doing well, they are making a good bed for their family, but then I think that they are not studying also. What I am studying means I am, let's leave that area of recreate. We are going from here. Okay, we are doing a backend analysis, so don't expect any type of things around 30 to 40 minutes. I am talking. Okay, now we have got the energy. So here one type of head and shoulder has just broken, left shoulder, right shoulder, and here is the head. That is also broken. Just wait for the market will wait for the market what he will do, and the uptrend has been started. As you can see here, left show left type of things I have done. Right, resistance has been broken, and we are just getting a part of that or not. No, we should not get part of that. Okay, here as you can see one type of a head and shoulder which I am looking for, which I looks right now. Okay, 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 okay. But we will go and get, we will find out that, and we get the SL. Very, very good. Very, 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 very good. We got the first SL. Why we got the first SL is the reason is also that here you can see the W has been made, but why I enter in this field because of the this left shoulder, and he market is consolidating on the left shoulder, so I entered based on that, but the market has been reversed and pushed ourselves away from the market. So market is clearly on the uptrend, and it is not an uptrend also. Now what here the market is fucking doing is not, I don't know. Okay, okay. What is this? The just get a one nap when the market will go. Let's see, market will be good or not. Okay, market has continued very good type of things. Okay, 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 okay. Now I am feeling like little bit. Yes, I am feeling like it will go down, but just waiting for the confirmation. And it has maken. It has not given me a confirmation about anything. There is a no right shoulder here, as you can see. Let's here, left shoulder has made, head has made, but there is no right shoulder to go down. So I did not enter just because of that. So we are waiting. It is a clearly uptrend, and market should came. Oh fuck! Market actually came down, and it not came down. It gone down. Overall, it is gone down. What the USD CAD has done, doing. Here is also left shoulder, right shoulder, but there is no type of a shoulder, which I don't follow. Okay, okay, okay. We are waiting to getting. Okay. Now I am interested in this trade because the market should go up. There is no reason that market will go down, and I am very very interested on the one days to 2.5. Okay, I am very very interested on this. Why I am interested, I will show you why I am interested. Okay, okay, and the one TP will be hit easy. What I said, TP will be hit 2.6, which I get from this market. Why I enter in this trade? What is the reason behind that we are entering in this trade? The reason behind that we have entered in this trade is this. I will show you this. See this. There is a W, and I am expecting that market will came like here, and then it will go up. But sometimes it will go up from this side also, means little bit upside from the W, and then it is correcting. Then after the correction I found here, then I enter and just little bit target over this, because market will go up from here also. See now, see now, market is going up from here also. What is this? Why? Why the analysis was ended very very weakly, and we are very very down at this time. Yes. What the market moves next time? Means what is the work has done in the next couple of hours, as you say. My my prediction is that market will market will what do market do what a market do market will go down like this. Okay, go down like go up like this, go like this, and then market will consolidate in this area, get a little bit like here. After here, market will go very very goodly, very very sharply to the upside. That's my prediction on the 4 hour time frame. My prediction is the God prediction. If you wanted to follow, follow. If you don't wanted to follow, it's your choice. Okay, I wanted to make this camera very good. Hi, this camera is very okay. So what we are doing now is here is a long position. We are waiting to get a confirmation about this, and the risk reward will be very very good if we get a confirmation about this. I wanted to just get here, and SL should be here. So 1 raised to 4 is easy for the next round of the market. Now we are waiting for getting the trade. We are waiting for the getting a trade to be here, and then it will go up. As per my prediction, you can see the next part what the market has done. Today's date is what is it? 2 2 2000 2 3 2026. So what market will do, we will see. And now my time is ended. Means I have analysis over 2 pairs. Means US oil I have analysis. US oil, US oil, my US oil, US oil. Huh. So this was the US oil. So don't be a black. Don't be a black. Screen get a black and then screen get a black. So what we will do? We will go to the setting. After the setting, we will go to the main panel, and the screen get our. So on the 15 1 and 10 minutes it is going around and around. So what the fuck is this? So we have done a US oil analysis. We have done the USD data analysis. So now I'm closing this stream. Okay, 48 minutes of a trade stream, 48 minutes of a non-stop my talking skills, which I have enhanced by doing this streaming. So we are closing this.